Hello everyone, welcome back to DRTS Web Works. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss our weekly tips on making the most of your web presence. Today we're diving into 5 unique WordPress website design inspirations that I want to give to you that you can easily transform to your own website from bland to brilliant. So let's get started. Initially, I'm going to start with representing something that is called minimalist design. And I've decided to open some of the most popular choices on Google that will actually represent the idea of what is the minimalist design. So this is basically simple and minimal design. And to be honest, the simplicity here is the actual key. You can see some of these designs right now on your screens. This style focuses on essential elements, leaving out anything that doesn't serve a purpose. Take a look at this example right now. Notice the clean lines, the uncluttered layouts, and subdued color palette. What makes this work? Let me show you some more sites. Like this one, clear lines, white spaces, very clear and open design that you can easily use for your own projects. This one as well, look how nice it comes, very simple and amazing design, to be honest. What makes this work? It's about focus. By stripping away the frills, your content takes the center of the stage. As you can see in the example of this video, the content is basically in the middle, so you can see everything. Your mind gets concentrated, your attention is there, and you can actually get the information that you need to get or actually provide to your customers and clients visiting your website. This not only helps in obviously faster loading times, but also ensures a smooth user experience. And if you're interested in achieving this look for your website, you can easily consider using themes like Astra theme, which is this one. You can easily customize it in different colors, you can see, or you can use Neve, which offer beautiful minimalist templates that are both functional and extremely stylish. The next one that I want to show you is the second example for a design is the bold and colorful design, which you can see over here. Moving on to this one, we need to add some colors basically to our design so we can grab the attention, and the bold and the colorful types of designs can really capture the attention instantly. This site uses vibrant colors and dynamic elements to draw the user's attention in. What is the secret? The color psychology and high impact visuals that pop actually in this case. You can see how many colors, what kind of designs are these, amazing. Let's go on to the next one. You can see this one. This is extremely colorful and stylish design, perfect for any branding. And if you want to create a similar effect, themes like Divi, or in this case again with Astra, you can find plenty designs. They're absolutely perfect and they offer extensive customization options to get just the right look for your own brand, business, or just personal portfolio that will actually capture the attention. Next, let's step back in time and look into the vintage and retro designs. This style brings the sense of nostalgia and charm that's hard to resist to do something. Look at this example. So these retro fonts, classic color schemes, and old school graphics transport us basically to a different era. They just bring us back in time. These designs work great for brands that celebrate heritage or are looking to evoke nostalgia. You can see this is an Italian website, Verga looks Italian to me, and it's having these kind of old fonts from back in the days, which basically bring the nostalgia, and they can actually make you feel that you want to do something. Let's see where this website is located. Just above Milan in the beautiful Italy. So shout out to these guys. They have an amazing website with nice design, retro type of design, which is really cool. And this is another one, the Tennessee. Welcome to Tennessee. I found it through Google as well, but it contains all these fonts like from back in the days, which basically these designs, they work great for brands that celebrate the heritage, as I said already. It's all about creating the connection through the time-tested visual cues that you can see when these designs, these websites evoke the nostalgia in their clients or viewers. Themes like Retro Portfolio or Nostalgia or Astra, they can provide similar experience and you can customize it, or they can actually help you to achieve this timeless look with ease. And with the perfect customization options, you can do anything and everything with them. The next one that I want to show you actually is my own website, which I have created for my personal brand, DRTS Web Works, where I show many projects that I work on. For example, this one here, which we will see shortly, or these kind of tabs. You can see how interactive they are. So this is the fourth group that I want to say and mention. This is the interactive and dynamic designs. And if you're looking to basically wow your visitors, consider using an interactive and dynamic design. So for example, in this case, this is another one which is for advertising company or agency. You can see how it's done, how the pictures are placed. It's just perfect. This site in particular features like animations and random scroll effects that you can use, and other engaging elements that make the user experience truly interactive. For example, let's see this one. The way the menu goes, then we push back, changing colors. Let's say we can open the services, it will go all the way down. Then we can open the web design and it will open another window. You can see with some more information in here. We will close this one now and it will be staying all at the same time in the home page. Perfect for keeping your users engaged and encouraging them to explore more of your website because of the way they're created. They provide this kind of value for the eye, for keeping your interest in it. It's about basically making your website not just a place to visit, but a place to experience something and to remember something. And if you want a design like this, themes like Avada, Divi or Astra, they're excellent for incorporating these dynamic elements into your website. And I left the final group to be the elegant professional designs that you can use. They're mainly for those of you who aim for sophistication. The elegant and professional designs is literally your go-to. This style emphasizes luxury and professionalism. You can notice the elegant typefaces, high quality images and a structured layout. And this approach not only looks great, but also builds trust and credibility with your audience, making it ideal for businesses like law firms or consultancy agencies, or even real estate, personal brands, portfolios, photographers. Anything and everything can be used with these kind of designs. Themes like Enfold, Oshine or Astra, they can provide this experience. They can build a website like this. They can help you customize it this way. For example, you're looking right now at a website that I have created for a client with all the customization and nice experience that people can have when they open this website, with all the elegance and style that I have put inside, so I can build something nice and something good for the clients who are going to open this website. If you want a website like this, go to Astra Theme Pro and I promise you that you will be able to replicate this polished look effortlessly. And there you have it, 5 unique WordPress website designs to inspire your next project. Whether you are going for minimalist chic or vibrant and energetic, design. There's a WordPress team out there to help you bring your vision to life. Which design was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out any of the upcoming videos. I will see you in the next one. Cheers!